are meeting for the first time. So I want to know more about yourself. Please introduce yourself.
Okay, first of all, good evening.
Very good
My name
evening.
is Rajiv Kumar. I'm from Bihar district in Sitamarhi. I have completed secondary degree recently. Now I'm pursuing engineering first year. My hobby are dancing and playing chess and talk to some new people. Also, now I'm starting my YouTube journey. 4 to 5 months I have completed. My ideal person, my mother, my father. That's all about it.
You are pursuing BTech degree.
Yeah,
There are so many streams. So in which stream you are doing?
I'm aeronautical engineer.
Aeronautical.
Yeah. Do you know aeronautical engineer?
I have heard aeronautical, I think. Aeronautical,
Uh,
electrical, chemical, mechanical. There are so many streams.
yeah, so my aeronautical engineering is work there. We have to work there, pilot engineer, like this pilot engineer, this field, a space
After
field.
that, after that you will apply for pilot job.
Yeah, pilot job, pilot engineer, pilot and research, like this researching
Okay.
field. We can say easily research
But
field.
most of the students applying for electrical, mechanical. I think few numbers of the students applying for this stream, aeronautical.
Yeah, because they don't know. That's why this field.
They know it, but I think the number of colleges are few in our country, I think.
Yeah, because the few college only there. Bihar side is only no one more this I think. Actually, I qualified JEE means then I selected this college in South India. I
Yes,
Bihar college.
that's why I am asking because most of we all are aware of this name, aeronautical engineering, but there are few
Yeah,
numbers of colleges in India
yeah.
who are offering this course.
I got lots of college in Bihar side and North Indian side, but this balance is not available. That's why I'm not get this got this college and we apply South India is there available this college branch. Then I join in South India now.
Currently, you are living in South India. In which
Yeah,
state?
I'm living in Chennai.
Chennai.
Yeah,
Okay. You belong from Sitamarhi district from Bihar. Currently, you are
yeah,
living in Chennai. What is the
yeah.
major difference from these two states? Can you tell me?
It's very big difference. If I talk about language, language is also totally different there, and culture also different, weather also different.
Same as
Everything is
Telugu.
different.
In Chennai, they are speaking Telugu
Tamil, Telugu, both language. Tamil,
and
Telugu,
Malayalam.
Malayalam also, but Hindi few members, those are stay in, those are from Bihar side. Only those people speaking Hindi like this.
Are you under? I think you are able to understand these language like Telugu, Tamil.
No, little bit I learned from my friends. They taught me and some little bit some sentence
Then how you
and
manage?
translate. English is everywhere available. That's why I manage my classroom and my college totally fully English medium. No one know Hindi. My friends also no one know Hindi, and my teacher, my ma'am is no one know Hindi. Only English and native language here. But if we connect to ma'am and teachers, we must know English. Then I connect the people also. My college is not a not a Indian students. Foreign students also they are studying this branch.
Can you tell me your college name so that our
Excel
viewers
Engineering,
can know?
Excel Engineering College.
Okay. I think this is
In,
the strong region. I think this is the strong region you are polishing your English skill.
yeah, because I have completed here 6 to 7 months in this college. When I came this college, even I don't know how to connect the people, how to communicate the good way, and I can't understand in class because fully English medium. I'm coming from Bihar side. There no one
That's
know
why
is
I'm asking how
speaking.
you manage.
Their side, Bihar side, no one know speak English very well. Some
I
people their
think
side,
in Sitamarhi district they are speaking Mathili.
yeah, that's why we are belong. I am belongs to Mathili language. My language is
Yes.
Mathili.
And peoples are called Mathil people, I think.
Yeah, Mathili. That's why I call him the Mathili because
And it is totally different from Bhojpuri language.
yeah, we can say, but Mathili is totally different. It's,
Yes.
so may I know you? I already told everything.
Okay, I am Tanya Singh and I am connecting with you from Rajasthan. I am a homemaker. That is
Oh,
all about me.
that's good. And one more college I also got it in Nimrana Aeronautical Engineering College, Rajasthan.
Okay,
You
I
know
think
this
in
college, I
Pilani. Pilani.
yeah, I don't know Rajasthan se location se Nimrana Aeronautical Engineering College, Kota.
Nimrana. Yes, yes. Nimrana. I
Uh,
know. There is a
but
place
I
Nimrana.
leave this co Yeah, I leave this college because some people said to me this college is not good. But I don't go. I did not go there. If I go there, definitely I join this college. But that this side, South India is also good. Only I'm coming from here. Only reasons for speaking. If I not do anything, my English skills is good, then I we can stay anywhere. I can stay anywhere. That's the reasons I'm coming here. I can be in this college.
Language is totally different from your state. Any other difference you have find here?
Yeah, language, culture is totally different. Their side is, and food also. Their side eating lots of people eat idli, dosa, and
Sambar,
what about
dosa,
sambar,
uttapam.
dosa,
I think uttapam.
utpam, like this, but lots of things and not the here. Simple rice, no one eating there. Mixed rice, lemon rice, tomato rice, and like this rice, mixed rice, egg rice. There, if you go any hotel, search. I want to simple rice. Only
They are
few
not
hotel
serving
is there.
simple plain rice. They are always serving
Yeah,
like rice. There are so
fried
many
rice,
varieties of rice.
fried rice, lemon rice, yellow rice. I don't know, very many variety of rice. If you confuse, oh my God, lots of variety of rice, but it's good. I talk about it's good, really good
Okay,
compared
food
to,
habits are totally different from your state.
yeah, food also different, culture also, the weather also, main difference is weather. Their side weather is too much hot, pretty hot there. Now
Mhm.
is temperature, I think 41 to 40 degree temperature this time. Yeah, 41 degree temperature, 41 to 40 degree temperature there.
Mhm. You are living in a hostel.
Yeah, I'm living in hostel.
Okay. So tell me something about your hostel life. It is totally different from your, I think, when you were living with your family.
Yeah,
You
it's totally different. I stay in four members, one per room, and four members other state. One member is I think Delhi. One member, mm, one members. I don't know, but it's four members state. Other state, but no, they are no English and Hindi or both language. And hostel life we can say is totally different compared
Mhm.
to home life and personal life. Go
How it is different?
It's good. Actually my college is very strict. If you not wake up at time and not do anything, not go to breakfast at two times. Every time you go and take put finger, then you eat something. If you not go any day, your finger is missing. My warden, hostel warden come and why you not go there? Why you not eat morning time? Ask like this. It's very strict. If you do anything, is the hostel also. If you do anything wrong, ragging, you have to pay 25,000 fine in this college. Oh my God, this is really very difficult to me.
But
Not
I
me and
think
other people.
this strictness is very good for the students.
Strictness is good, but not I am a child. You are college student, college level. You can
But
do,
you know,
you
they
give
are
the freedom.
making these students more sensible, more disciplined.
Yeah, the college. Yeah, this is the
Yes.
main things. The college making a good student to become a good student, a good knowledgeable and sensible like this. Man, don't become a mannerless. You become also manner how to talk the people. These things.
All time you all, I think
Yeah.
roommates, all the time you are studying or whenever you get time, you are going for here and there just for outing.
Yeah, it's actually my college is too big. So if if you are roaming and in this college one day is
No,
totally.
no, when you are taking permission. Without permission, I'm
Yeah.
not saying.
Yeah,
When you are taking
it's a
permission and you all want to watch a movie, you know,
no watch movie because their side is
it's
movie
not
only.
allowed.
No,
It's not allowed.
allow it, but is language, not a Hindi video. You can't feel local language.
Hmm.
Local
Okay.
language, yeah, you can watch English medium. This is.
You can watch only English movie.
Yeah, English, but
And
sometimes.
local language movie.
Sometimes his movie is hit, and the whole people thinking that too much crowding. Then he put a Hindi medium, but not all movies put Hindi medium. Only some one movie is putting in the Hindi medium. That is.
You are missing your mom.
Yeah, I really miss my mom because the college given 1 year. You have to complete 1 year, then you go one times at your home.
I
It's
think they
very
are very
difficult.
strict because I think first
Yeah,
time I'm hearing this.
yeah, it's very restricted because too far there in this much. 26 kilometer, 2,600 kilometer is this my college. 3 day traveling. That's why not going to. Local people, whenever got 2 day, 3 day,
So
5 day,
Bihar is in
leave.
other side and South is in on other side. It's totally,
Yeah.
both are opposite side.
But if I talk about their side culture is totally good. Wedding dress and culture and like this too much I saw. I went to one friend's my friend brother marriage. Then I saw there. Oh my God! If I talk about North Indian marriage and wedding and South Indian, totally different. Every people's dress wearing is perfectly good. No one saw
Their
like
dress is
this.
very
That
decently.
uh, dressing sense is wow. It's look like a wow. Say girls or boys, no matter. Girls also wearing sari and every girls. But if I talk about North Indian
Do
side,
you
some
think they are
people's wearing.
following? They are following their culture because
Yeah, it's
I
culture.
have observed in a metropolitan city like Delhi, some other cities
Mhm.
also like Mumbai. You can say we are showing most of the time pomp and show. Okay,
Yeah,
but I have observed in the south side they are living very
yeah.
simple life. I have observed.
Simple life.
Yes.
Simple life, but they are rich families, rich family, rich. We can say that. Then we are not judging the he is a very rich family, but look like a simple. Talk normally, no problems there. But if I talk about North Indian side, you have lots of money, and then so yeah, only I am the persons we can do anything. North Indian side, but South Indian, no one do like this.
I think this thing is impressed you.
Yeah, this things.
Yes.
So
Anything if
tell
you
me,
want, you can share.
Yeah, it's so tell me also Rajasthan, what's happening right now there? I like it Rajasthan, but I missed that college also.
You know, Rajasthan is already very famous all around the world. Most of the
Yeah,
countries.
it's Rajasthan. Their side is culture also too much good. I saw
And I'm
there also.
living in the capital city, Jaipur.
Oh my
It is
God,
also
it's
called
very
Pink City. And right
yeah.
now, in the morning, I have not noticed the temperature. What is the temperature? But it is too
Uh,
hot. I think
yeah,
everybody aware of the climate of the Rajasthan. and it is not a good weather for coming Rajasthan.
Mm.
Winter is a good season for tourism purpose. But if you are planning that we should go Rajasthan in this time, I think it's not good.
Uh,
And there are so many palaces. That is the reason most of the persons every year coming here.
which one? Which one place? Which one place? The tourism place? Do you know?
There are so many palaces. Hawa Mahal, Amer Fort, Jantar Mantar,
Oh,
Birla Temple, Jal Mahal.
oh my
Yes.
God! I will want come. I will want to go there in Rajasthan in future.
And recently in Rajasthan, I think today 13 April, 11 and 12, it is celebrated. There is a big festival, Gangor festival.
Oh my
Gangor.
God! Congrats.
Yes, it is a famous festival of Rajasthan.
Okay.
And we have celebrated this festival, colorful festival we can say, in this.
Oh, that's really amazing.
And there is a very big procession they are conducting in a old pink city.
Oh,
Yes,
yeah. So,
yesterday they had conducted.
oh my God. So tell me, how have you been started your English journey?
Mm, I think 5 months ago I have started my English journey, and every day I'm taking sessions. Sometime I am not able to take video session, but that time I am taking audio sessions.
Oh,
Yes,
you are
every
teacher
day I
also?
am taking session, but it doesn't it doesn't matter for me, it is audio session or video session, but I'm
Yeah, it's
doing
not matter.
continuously this thing.
It is a good job for you also in future. If you do regularly, then you can do anything.
Yes,
Regularity is main important.
because
This thing.
like you are living right now in south side, okay,
Yeah,
and you are living with the south Indian people also, and you are every day listening Telugu, Tamil. So I think you have learned so many vocabulary also, okay.
yeah. I learned my college is fully
Similarly,
English medium.
yes,
Also, some local
and
people also
yes.
speak English and Tamil also. I learned so many
Similarly,
sentences.
English is not our mother tongue. But if we are
Yeah,
talking continuously with our co-learner, after that, I think we are able to understand and we can also speak.
yeah, yeah. We
That
can
is the
also
reason
speak.
I am doing practice every day.
Oh, that's a really good job.
Yes. I think it was a very fruitful session and we have talked so many things and it was a
Yeah,
really very
yeah,
good session.
yeah. It's really good.